Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your Earbuds QCY MeloBuds Pro with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth on other devices, press this line or click Enter. Right here, at the right top, you need to click Add Device. If you have Windows 10, you will find this button at the top. And in this window, select Bluetooth. Also, make sure that your Bluetooth turn on. Now, open the charging case. And do not remove your earbuds from the case. At the bottom, near to the USB-C port, we have connection button, and you need to press and hold for at least 3 seconds. Now we should see these headphones at the device list. And right here we have them, so press on it and then click Done. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.